Welcome to Harry's Dulwich Cobblers. We have been a family-run business since 1960, meaning we have the experience to handle almost everything in the way of shoe repair. We also stock a wide range of shoe products such as shoe polish, insoles and leather sealant, as well as luggage and suitcases. We also have a key cutting service for all domestic needs. We pride ourselves on our friendly, efficient service, and that has helped us to maintain the high reputation that we have today. So for more information, please get in touch today.